What if I told you Elon Musk has been quietly building something in South Texas? Something so radical it could replace the home you're living in right now. For years, people dismissed it as a conspiracy theory, but now it's real. A fireproof, disaster-proof Tesla house that costs less than most used cars. Imagine a home that predicts your needs, protects you from fires, earthquakes, and even tornadoes. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on what might be the most disruptive invention since the electric car itself. Elon Musk once revealed something mysterious, a prototype box hidden down in South Texas. He teased it, laughed at the conspiracy theories, and then dropped the truth. Those rumors were real. Recently, he declared with bold confidence, "I think this is going to be a very exciting adventure, and it's going to work out really well." So, what exactly has Musk been hiding? Today, that curtain gets pulled back. We're exposing the unbelievable reality of the 2026 Tesla tiny house, finally ready for the world. This isn't just another structure, it's a fortress disguised as a home. It comes with a breakthrough fire suppression system, adaptive design technology that grows with you, and disaster resistance that makes it stronger than most bunkers. If you're among the 199,795 forward-thinking pioneers ready to glimpse the future of living, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. What you're about to discover will redefine what's possible. Let's dive straight into Tesla's most mind-bending creation yet. 1. Why the Tesla tiny house is a game-changer for seniors, the disabled, and veterans. What if your home anticipated your needs before you even realized them? A home where every movement was safe, smooth, and effortless regardless of age or ability. This isn't a dream, it's the 2026 Tesla tiny house, engineered to eliminate barriers and transform daily life into seamless independence. Step inside and you'll find inclusivity in every detail. Imagine 36-inch wide doorways for wheelchair access, zero threshold entries to erase trip hazards, and adjustable height counters in every room, lowering fall risks by up to 25%. Ambient lighting shifts automatically to prevent disorientation, a game changer considering 1 in 4 Americans over 65 struggle with mobility issues today. But Tesla didn't stop there. Bedrooms feature grab bars exactly where you need them and voice-controlled beds that lift you to standing height, erasing the morning struggle. The kitchen is reimagined with pull-down shelving and easy-reach cabinets, while bathrooms include roll-in showers and built-in benches for safe, dignified routines. Compare this to the sobering reality. 70% of us homes remain unmodified for accessibility, trapping millions in unsafe conditions. Tesla's reinforced flooring supports 500 pounds per square foot, built for wheelchairs and heavy equipment. Even more impressive, integrated fall detection sensors that instantly alert help, a feature that could save lives. Considering falls send 3 million seniors to emergency rooms every year, and the price at just $5,795, this mass-market marvel cuts accessibility costs by 60% compared to traditional retrofits. Veterans, seniors, and those with disabilities gain something money can't usually buy: safety, independence, and dignity. This isn't just a house, it's a caring companion built into 4 walls, proving technology can do more than serve, it can heal. Before we move on, let's pause for a quick question. Have you or someone you love ever struggled with accessibility in your home? If you believe housing should adapt to people, not the other way around, drop a yes in the comments. Close your eyes and imagine this. A wildfire tears through your neighborhood, winds at 160 miles per hour rip houses from their foundations, and the ground shakes with the power of an 8.0 earthquake. Everything around you is destroyed, except one home, still standing, untouched. That's not a fantasy. That's Tesla's 2026 tiny house, engineered to survive the unthinkable. Today, we're exposing the mind-bending science behind the only home that might just outlive you. 2. How the Tesla tiny house defies fire and explosions like no other. Wildfires, electrical accidents, exploding batteries, disasters we all dread. But what if your home wasn't just safe? What if it was indestructible in the face of fire? Tesla has engineered exactly that. Walls are built with aerogel-infused panels, the same NASA tech that shields spacecraft on These panels withstand to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, deflecting 98% of heat even under direct flames, while a traditional wooden tiny house can burn to ash in minutes. Tesla's walls simply refuse to ignite, but they went further. Exterior misting rails kick in the moment heat spikes, cutting surface temperature by 80% within minutes. Inside, an automated CO suppression system extinguishes flames 5 times faster than standard sprinklers. Self-sealing doors keep out deadly smoke, reducing inhalation risks by 80%. Imagine a kitchen fire. While most homes would be engulfed in minutes, Tesla's sensors detect the anomaly instantly, contain the flames, pump in clean air, and buy you 30 minutes of safe evacuation time. Add in oxygen sensors and Tesla app alerts, and you've got a fire safety ecosystem smarter than human reflexes. Wildfires now destroy 4.5 million US acres annually. Traditional fireproof homes cost upwards of $50,000. Tesla's solution democratizes survival, delivering this protection for a fraction of that cost. Peace of mind isn't a luxury anymore. It's a shield Tesla just placed in your hands. 3. How Tesla tiny house withstands hurricanes, tornadoes, and earthquakes now. Let's crank the stakes even higher. Hurricanes at 160 miles per hour. Tornadoes spinning at 300 miles per hour. Earthquakes rocking at 8.0 magnitude. Disasters that tear apart traditional homes in seconds. Can Tesla's tiny house withstand them? Not only withstand, but thrive. The answer is yes. Tesla cracked the code with an aerodynamic dome shape cutting wind drag by 92%. A carbon fiber exoskeleton absorbs 80% of stress, tested in Category 5 hurricane conditions. Foundations bolt directly into bedrock, resisting 200 miles per hour uplift forces and reducing failure rates by 90%. Tornadoes. Tesla uses flexible steel joints rated for EF5 storms over 200 miles per hour. Polycarbonate. Windows resist 150 miles per hour debris impacts. Anchors inspired by military bunkers prevent liftoff even in 250 miles per hour winds. Earthquake resilience is equally base isolation systems with rubber dampers absorb 85% of seismic energy, the same system that saved Tokyo's skyscrapers in 2011. AI sensors detect microcracks with 98% accuracy, warning you before danger strikes. This isn't hype. Tesla prototypes endured 6.0 earthquakes and 180 miles per hour winds without a scratch. As US disaster costs hit $182 billion in 2024, this design could slash losses by 80%. Now think back. What's the scariest natural disaster you've ever lived through? Imagine never fearing that again. Drop Tesla tiny house in the comments if you'd choose this fortress over uncertainty. 4. Why Tesla can price it under a 2026 Tesla Model 2 and still profit. Here's the twist that shocks everyone. This house costs less than a car. The 2026 Tesla tiny house sells for under $8,000, cheaper than a used sedan. How the secret lies in modular, snap-together panels that cut construction to 24 hours. Recycled materials from Tesla's EV supply chain slash costs by 50%. Assembly lines already building cars pivot to houses, with 95% automation reducing costs to just $1,000 per unit at scale. 500,000 units per year drop costs even further, just like Tesla did with EV. Federal and state green credits add $7,000 in rebates, while solar panels, water generators, and waste digesters come pre-bundled, saving buyers $10,000 versus aftermarket add-ons. And the savings don't stop. Zero utility bills save $2,500 annually. Disaster-proof design cuts insurance by 70% in just over 3 years. The house pays for itself. Compare that to the US housing crisis, where 22.6 million renter households are cost-burdened, and 70% of seniors can't afford a $412,000 home. Tesla just flipped the script. For less than a down payment on a traditional house, you can own a fireproof, disaster-proof, self-sustaining home. It's housing freedom. Finally affordable. What if I told you Elon Musk has designed a home that's fireproof, disaster-resistant, fully set, and costs less than a smartphone flagship? Sounds impossible, right? But this under $8,000 Tesla tiny house isn't just real. It's about to flip the entire housing market upside down. In the next few minutes, you're going to see how Tesla took survival technology once reserved for billionaires and put it in the hands of ordinary families. Finally, too good to be true. Remember, Tesla did it with cars, and now they're doing it with homes. The 2026 Tesla tiny house isn't science fiction. It's here, so if you had the chance to grab one tomorrow for under $8,000, would you? Let us know in the comments. And if this opened your eyes like it did ours, smash that like button. Thanks for watching. This is just the beginning of a revolution you don't want to miss.